I went to the provinces. I looked at patients there. I see that they are not getting well. They need money for operations, like heart operations, hospital expense. So I feel helpless. Even in Salamat Doc for 12 years, we can't do anything.
Naku, nakakaiyak naman si Dr. Willie Ong. Alam nyo, naging okay yung aking gout dahil sa mga advices niya, yung okra water. Bale to 2 years na wala akong atake sa aking gout dahil sa advice niya. Pero ngayon siya ay naghihirap sa kanyang health dahil sa mga bash ng mga tao nung tumakbo daw siya nung 2022 vice presidential election. Grabe ang mga bashers nung natalo siya. Kaya kinimkim niya ito at naging cause ng kanyang cancer. Panoorin natin.
Is zero. If I do not put out this video, I will just die. The news will be, Dr. Willie died one day. He did not tell his followers. He lied to his followers. I owe it to the Filipino people to be honest to them. I owe it. Mahal na 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 mahal ko kayo po lahat. I think I got all this pain from negative thoughts, negative emotion, from all the hurt, from all the bashing I got from the 2022 vice presidential campaign. I got so many bashing. If you pray for me, I think I will get well. If you keep on bashing me, I think I will die. Hindi nyo naiintindihan kado ko kayo kamahal. Bawat takbo ko para po sa inyo, hindi para sa akin. Anong ginawa nyo? Binas nyo na ako ng binas. Sumaba sobrang loob ko. May isang basher nagsabi sa akin, Doc Willie, even if you run 10 times again and again, you will lose again and again and again. What did I do to you?